Today we will cover the official map of Asia with countries and capital. Let's start now. Asia. Asia is a large continent. Asia is the largest continent in the world. Here is Russia. It is the biggest country in the world, and Asia covers a total land. And Asia covers a total landmass of half of the world with a population of 4.4 billion, which is 60% of the world total population. Asia plus Europe is called Eurasia. And Asia is surrounded by the Indian Ocean in the south, the Pacific in the north, in the south, in the southeast, and the Arctic Ocean in the north, Europe and Black Sea, and the Mediterranean Sea and the Red Sea, and Africa and Indian Ocean in the west. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Let's start with Russia. Russia is the biggest country in the world. After that China comes second in Asia, then Kazakhstan third. India is third and Kazakhstan is fourth. And then comes Southeast Indonesia. Asia has in 48 countries in total. Some of these include Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, Turkestan, Tajikistan, Kyrgyzstan, Turkmenistan, Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. 8 bordering countries include Nepal, Bangladesh, Myanmar, and Sri Lanka, and Maldives in the Indian Ocean. And here it includes China, Mongolia, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Taiwan, and Philippines here. And Indonesia, the largest island country in the world. And Brunei, Malaysia, Thailand, Laos, Cambodia, and here's on the western side, Turkey, Israel, Palestine. Actually, Palestine is a country which is not recognized by the United Nations. It is a country officially, but it is not the official member of the United Nations. There are total 193 members plus 2 equals, because the 2 members are not considered. In here, Africa, Western Sahara plus Vatican City, the smallest country in the world, located in Europe. These are 2 countries which is not recognized by the United Nations as a country. Next. Asia. Asia is a large continent. This is a big continent, the largest continent on Earth, and it has many regions like Muslim, Arab, Christianity also a major religion, Buddhism, and you can say Hinduism also. Asia can also be divided into 6 physical divisions. Central Asia, Kazakhstan, as I told you, Central Asia, China, Hong Kong, Japan, North Korea, South Korea, Mongolia, Mexico, Northern Asia. Russia's mostly cover the Northern Asia. You can see here to here to here, whole Northern Asia. And Southeast include Brunei, Myanmar, Cambodia, Laos, Philippines, and Southern Asia includes the South Asia, which is in mostly the Indian subcontinent, as we all know. It is like a small continent. Next. We can use a trick to remember Asia country. You can see this. We can use A to the max, Y. The A countries include mostly Afghanistan, Armenia, and Azerbaijan. The countries that are under the Russian Federation. Only Azerbaijan and Armenia. This is Kazakhstan here, and this is Russia, and here this is Georgia, and here is Armenia, and here is Azerbaijan. Next. Like this we can remember the Asia. Next. B. Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bhutan, Brunei. These are the countries of random mixed spots like South India and Southeast Asia and Western Asia. Western, this part, we have mostly Islam region. The part C1 includes Cambodia, China, Cyprus, the only Georgia, as I told you in the A1. I include many like India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, and they include only Japan and Jordan. Jordan is the enemy of Israel. Kazakhstan, Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan and Kazakhstan are same location on Central Asia. Laos, Lebanon. Lebanon is the country which includes Lebanon is one of the richest country on earth. And Malaysia includes Malaysia, Mali, Mongolia, Myanmar, before only known as Burma, Nepal, North Korea, O for Oman, P for Pakistan, Palestine, Philippines, Q for Qatar, and R for Russia, S for Saudi Arabia, Singapore, South Korea, Sri Lanka, D for Taiwan, Tajikistan, Thailand, Leslie, Turkey, and Turkmenistan. United Arab Emirates, UAE, also famously known as UAE, Uzbekistan, V for Vietnam, and finally Yemen. This is the whole Asia map. here are all the Asian countries. You can see here, this is the Jordan, Pakistan, Jordan, China, and Afghanistan, North Korea, South Korea, and Kuwait, Kyrgyzstan, Taiwan, and Armenia, Cyprus, Azerbaijan, Georgia, Qatar, Hong Kong, like my Bhutan, and British Indian Ocean territory, Bali, in this country, and here Cyprus, Georgia, Hong Kong, India, Indonesia, Iran, Iraq, Israel, Japan, Laos, Lebanon, Malaysia, and Maldives, famously island countries, Polish country in Asia, Mongolia, Nepal, Syria, Yemen, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Singapore, Uzbekistan, and Laos, and UAE, Saudi Arabia, Turkmenistan, Russia, Turkey, Qatar, and Bihar, and Philippines, and finally Kazakhstan. Asia. As I told you, Asia is a giant continent, and this flag we cover before. These are the countries with map on flag. Taiwan, Philippines, we cover this also. This one country, and these are the most we covered next.